Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you are in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. As you can see on my hand, I have swatches. That is because I just finished filming the premium box. So many boxes arrived today, and I'm going to try my best to upload all of them. We got the base box, I got the A1A box. I ended up getting 2 of my premium boxes and then another box that is going to be new to the channel. So I'm really hoping that you guys will spend a lot of your time today watching these videos, because I'm doing my best to upload them as quickly as I can based on YouTube, but I am filming them all to be able to make sure that I can upload them to you as fast as possible. So, as I mentioned on the premium box that I just finished unboxing, that the odds were not in my favor of me not getting a completely duplicate box, which is what I ended up getting. The reason I say that is that I ended up choosing the exact same choice items in both boxes. There was nothing last month in the premium box that was screaming at me to try or that I wanted. But there was one palette in particular, which was this gorgeous HUDA beauty palette that I absolutely think is gorgeous and love. And this I knew I was going to have a giveaway on my channel when I was choosing this as a second choice item. So this is definitely really exciting. On top of it, the other choice item that was in this box was another duplicate for me, which is from this brand called DIME. And this is an eyelash boost serum that I know so many of you girls enjoy. So those were my 2 picks that I knew was going to be in the giveaway. With that said, when you have 2 accounts, they do not communicate with each other. So the odds were not in my favor that if I was choosing the exact same choice items, that I was going to get a completely different variation, but with those 2 items in it, and I didn't. So what I'm going to do, and it's the first time I'm ever doing this on my channel, is I am giving away the entire premium, my second premium box, with all the items that were in this box. So this is a huge value, and it is something, like I said, I've never done before. I usually, do, if I have a duplicate palette, we'll do a giveaway on that. Or if we hit a landmark, which we just did with the 3000 that we just mentioned, the winner of that was at the end of last month. So this is really very quick for me to be doing a second type of giveaway for such a large volume and a premium box. I am so excited that I'm actually going to be able to give the entire box in the giveaway. So I will go through with you all the items that are in this box, but I hope that you've already watched my previous videos, because I worked really hard today to get everything filmed and up to you guys. But like I said, I swatched everything in my last video, because that's what I do on my channel, is I share all the information. I do more informative videos, I do spoilers, I do a lot of stuff. So if you're finding me because of a giveaway, that's great, but I want to make sure that you are going to enjoy my videos, because that's what I do it for. I do it to be able to share information with you guys. I've only been doing this for just over a couple of years. The growth has been really beautiful. I haven't had the opportunity to do any collabs with anybody or anything like that, because I still work full time, and I never want to commit to something that I can't fully give my all to. And having this channel has taken up so much of my time, but it's sharing stuff that I absolutely love. And I got the opportunity to meet so many of you guys through the comments. And when you meet people that have similar interests and have tried certain things that I haven't had the opportunity to try, and you're suggesting them, and then I try it and I like it, and the same thing with me, if I try something and I like it and I want to make sure that you guys know about it too, that is why this channel grew. And it's everything and more, because I started this channel solely because I'm a Canadian girl that was moving full-time into the USA, and so much was new to me here from the makeup world and the skincare world, and I was not on social media prior to this channel, and I'm only on Instagram. I know through Instagram a lot of my stuff gets posted on Facebook, but I'm not on Facebook ever, but everything gets posted there. So if you're on Facebook, you get to see a lot of what I'm posting on Instagram, which is always if I'm doing a video or if I'm posting my towers at the end of the month, or all my boxes opened up of what we went through the whole month. So that's why it's so important that not only do you follow me here, that you also follow me on Instagram too. Also, I will leave in the description box all the rules and regulations for the giveaway, but it's always very, very simple. You just really have to be able to follow me here, and you have to also be following me on Instagram as well. I will leave in the description what I need you to mention in this comment here in that description box down below, but it is really, really important that when you're putting your Instagram name, do not put the A in front of it, because a lot of the comments last month when we did that huge giveaway, we found out that a few of them didn't get filtered towards me. I don't filter any of the comments that come to me. Some of them just don't show up, and if they don't show up, I respond to every single comment. So if you do not get a comment back from me, that means that I didn't receive your comment, and then you can go back to the page to see if your comment is there. So if your comment is not there, then that's why I didn't respond back to you. So that is why now, when you go on Instagram, you have to mention to me what your name is on YouTube, so that I can put the two of you together, and I will know that you are a subscriber here as well as there. Also, if you're not public, I do have always in my description box down below how easy it is to become public and how important it is for a creator for you guys to be public. Simply because then we get to know how long you've been watching our channel. If you leave the hearts, if you leave the thumbs up, we're able to know a lot of that through your name, from what the symbols that they put beside your name in the comments. So I know when we were going through all of the writing down the names for the 3K giveaway, certain people have been with me for over 2 years, which means you've been with me from the start, and it means everything and more that you have grown with me from learning YouTube to being able to sit here and be able to talk directly to the camera. As you know, on my channel, everything is live. I don't edit. I share with you the information that I have, and then I try to be as informative and prepared prior to sitting down, so that the time that I have here, I'm learning as well as you. All right, so what's in this box? And I just want to make sure that the rules are there. If there's something missing, or you're not public, or I didn't hear back, or you didn't get a comment back from me, please double check, because like I said, with YouTube, we don't control the platform. All we have is the luxury to be able to use it to be able to speak to you guys. But through the comments, if I do not respond back, it means that I never saw it. And if you respond to me on Instagram, then I'm able to match you up with your Instagram name and your YouTube name, because that's how I'm going to communicate with you. I will mention the winner through the comments when we pick the winner, and then also I will reach out through direct message on Instagram so that we can keep everything private. I also know that a few of you have shared with me some other channels that do giveaways a lot are having trouble with what they're calling scammers, that they're creating an account that looks like or similar to, and they're telling you to go on to WhatsApp and asking you for money. There's no money involved. I don't have a WhatsApp. I directly will speak to you directly through your comment that you leave here, and then directly through your direct message on Instagram. So there's no monies that are ever going to switch hands. The giveaway is my gift to you guys. All right. So hopefully I made everything clear, but if I missed anything, please check in the description box down below about all the rules, because I want to make sure that you don't miss out on anything so that your name doesn't get entered. All right. So let's go through quickly. This gorgeous, which is everything and more. This is a $70 palette on its own. Huda Beauty, I don't have to tell you, is one of such an inspiration to all of us. From where she started to what she created, it's everything and more. Plus, her products are so over the moon. She doesn't miss a mark, and she's so innovative and so beautiful. And I had the opportunity in the last video to swatch, and that's what everything is here. So that's the entire palette swatched. It is beyond gorgeous. Yours is still going to be completely packaged up, not, you know, this is all the ones that I used for the swatches. Yours is still in the full box that we have there. The next item that was in here is from Christoph Robin. This is a instant volumizing leave-in mist. This one here is a $39 value on its own. So this is a really expensive box. The next one, and these are all new products to Boxycharm. This is from this brand called VIKE Beauty. This is a makeup melt. This is a spray on oil that helps you remove your makeup. So this is a very exciting product to have in here as well. The other one is the one that I mentioned earlier, which is from DIME, which is the Lash Booster. It is completely sealed up. Then the next one in here is a new product also to Boxy. This is from this brand called Moonlight Makeup. It is a primed for the night. This is an $18 value. It is an eyeshadow primer. What's nice about this eyeshadow primer is it has a little bit of a color to it. So you're able to, you know, if you have a little bit of discoloration on your eyelids, it will have more of that type of effect, that it will cover that up a little bit. So always good to have an eyelash primer. And then the last item in here is from a brand that I absolutely love, and it is called UMA. And this is a $16 lip liner, and it's in the exact same color that I received as well, which is Angelou, and that is this swatch of it right underneath here. So like I said, this is a phenomenal, phenomenal box. I was planning on doing a giveaway with just these two items. The fact that the entire box was a duplicate, it's an actual bonus for you guys, but it will also hopefully be able to grow the channel. So please make sure that you are following here, that you're following on Instagram, True Ones too, but you also have to follow my company that I have with my brother that is called Improving Lifestyles, because that's who's going to be paying to ship this out for us, and he's going to pack everything together. It's the business that I have with my brother, so that everything arrives beautiful. He has been phenomenal and such a supporter that I want to make sure that we support the business as well, which is supporting him, because the Instagram on Improving Lifestyle is his. So I want to make sure that we show the love and support to Improving Lifestyles as well. But like I said, all of that will be mentioned in the comments down below. Good luck to everybody. The date that this is going to be, the winner will be pulled, is going to be in the description box down below, because it's depending on when this gets posted. And that's it for today. So as always, I want to make sure everybody continues to stay safe so that we can all stay well and so that we can continue to enjoy. Good luck to everybody who wants to enter. If you don't want to enter, just simply do not leave a comment, because your comments are my lifeline. They are what I look forward to every night to read and respond to, because like I said, that's my lifeline to you, and it's your voice as well. So I don't want you not leaving a comment if you do not want to enter. Just simply say, do not enter me. All right? But I still want to hear from you. All right? Thank you so much to everybody who has supported this channel, who has helped this channel grow by watching and sharing in the comments, as well as sharing my channel. And I appreciate that so much, because so many of you know that I'm not on Facebook or TikTok or any of these other platforms. I'm solely started on YouTube, and my way of communicating is through Instagram. But I want to make sure that you guys know how much I appreciate, and I know when you share with me that you're sharing my channel with your friends, with your family members, with your Facebook groups, because you write that to me, and I appreciate that so, so much. And that is why my growth has been so fantastic on this channel, to be able to have over 3,000 people know about me and enjoy the channel is everything that I wanted and more. So thank you so, so much to everybody, and so happy to have the opportunity to be able to give away an entire premium box for the month of February. And the fact that it, you know, is more expensive now, and a lot of you have mentioned to me that you can't afford, you know, all the boxes. So this is a nice way for me able to have you share in some of this on such a fantastic month, the month of February. All right, take care everybody, stay well, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.